today we are going to learn how to install Koha in our Ubuntu 23.10.01, and the below these are the commands that we're going to use. The first command is to update. We need to update the system. The second one, we need to upgrade the system. For that command, we need to install the stable name Koha. This is the command that will choose which stable Koha that you need to install. For example, this time we have 23.something.10 version. The version that we have now is 23. Something. We can we need to go out. Yeah, in Koha we on the home page, we go down and we click on try it now. So here we are going to get all versions that are the new versions. The newest version is 23.11, which is the stable, and now we have 23.05, we have 21.11, we have 23.11. So to get to see which is the stable version of a Koha, we click download, then we go down here. There is a Koha requirements. The Koha requirement that we require to when planning to install the Koha is one is a Linux server. We can use one Debian is the most people use, but to me I'm using Ubuntu 23.10.01. Also we need Apache, we need Maria database or MySQL, we need Perl, we need also to be logged as a root access server. Also we need to have a better than average level skills with a command line in Apache and also in MySQL tools. All those we have minimum requirements to install our Koha. So what we're going to do, we're going to go straight on get Koha, where we have we aim to release 3 versions of our Koha each month, and see the release schedule for more information. When installing the Koha, the current version, we can use the following guidelines. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on install packages. We click here, installing with packages. Here there is a Koha of Debian. So as we are going straight on how to install Koha, our first command will start on here they are. So there is 23.05 is the current stable release. We have the 23.11 also is a current stable release. We have also 23.05 for the 2 release behind the current stable release. Also we have 21.11. To my advice, if we want to install the stable Koha, don't go for 23.5 or the latest version, because some of patches have not been tested, and also the best one would be the latest one which has been tested and also so many people has the experience with. If we get to install 20.05 due to some challenges, sometimes we find the test system have issues with your database and during the installation of that system. So to us, we are not going to install the stable version, we are going to install 23.22.11. So here we are going to correct here instead of community Koha stable, we are going to install say 22.11. That one we have, that the Koha that we are going to install. We go back to, also you can copy the commands from direct from this system. Now the first thing we are going to do, we are going to open our terminal. To our terminal, there is different ways you can open. You can type the name terminal, or you can go to, you can Control Alt T, automatically it's supposed to open the terminal. Here it is. Here it is. You can close it and open it again. Control Alt T. It is. We enlarge our screen, and then the first command that we're going to use, sudo, meaning that we're going to open to access the root by using sudo su. Why are we getting this error? Ubuntu or Linux systems are key sensitive, meaning if you put a capital and you're supposed to use the small letters or lowercase, you will always get an error. So in these cases in Ubuntu, you'll find it is not good to use the capitalized or the commands on uppercase. The system will always disagree, or the system will not allow you to use the key sensitive, the system will not allow you to use the capitals in the command lines. So we clear this one and we start again. We say sudo with small letter su. You find the system asking a question, the password. Put the password. Here it is. The first command is sudo apt get update. This command will update your system. And a good thing in Linux or Ubuntu is that the system will never ask you to restart when you update its patches. Unlike the Microsoft, where you update the system, the system will keep on asking you to update, to restart. The Ubuntu will never ask you to update. So the system is keeping on updating. This sometimes it takes some time as we wait. So all the newest versions and patches and security patches that have been released in 23.10.01 has been updated now. The next command we are supposed to put, first of all, we clear. We go to sudo apt get upgrade. So here there is there is a few things that you're not supposed to understand. One, here there is 20 and upgraded, 0 you are installed, 0 to remove, and 3 not upgraded. Need to get 114 MB of archives. So after these operations, 19.5K, let's say 19.5 KB of additional disk space will be. So what you're supposed to say, supposed to click yes, you allow your system to be upgraded. So what is the next command? The next command is supposed to install list, the command, the Koha.list, or call a domain called Koha community repository. So to need the system to upgrade, so that we go to the next step of installing the Koha. We can go back to our browser and check some videos. If you there is a different link that you can be able to use. For example, we can change from 22.11 to here. There is the follow a core release suite. There is stable, which is 23.05. There is old stable, which is 22.11. So we are going to change from 22.11 to old stable here, because we're going to copy right here old stable, then light and main. So here we check here, there is the old stable main. So let's check whether I don't know, still okay. Our upgrade, we have the second command has finished its operation. So we here we copy this command and say to download the Koha list. So right click, we copy. We copy one here. Right click, copy, paste it here. Yes, we have installed the old stable main. The next step is to install the repositories by copying this command. Paste it here, and before we click we enter, can read something here. What does it say? see. These are the source package we need to install. The source package that we need to install is this one, and we are going to download it in this link. That is the link that we're going to use too. But now it's not go direct to that link. We need to use where we are going to get the source package. So we click enter. Yes, as you can see, our source package has been accepted by our system. So the next command that we're going to do now, we're going to update the system so that the package can be accepted. So by using this command, update. So you can see there is these packages are being updated into our restored legacy trusted blah blah blah, and say the procedure section create for details. So the next command is to install Koha. What is the command of that we are supposed to use? Number. The next one is number 6, where we are supposed to install Koha. To install Koha, we say we use this command. Let's first of all we clean. The next command is to install Koha. How do we install Koha? We say sudo apt get install Koha _ common. So this is the command that are indicated here. And this command sometimes will take a few minutes. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to install. Start it. Yes, you can see 0 upgraded, 638 were installed, 0 to remove, 3 not upgraded, and at the end of we need 272.97 MB of accounts, and after this operation 1 GB 1804 megabytes will be used. So what we're going to do, we write yes and we click. This one will take a few minutes, but I think my internet is a bit faster, so that I'll pass this video. Okay, we've managed to finish the installation of our Koha. So the next thing, we clear this one, we go to the next step. Next step is to configure the Koha types. So in this process, I'm going to use this command. And say get install gedit. So this is a text editor which can be able to modify our codes, and it will work in our favor in what we want it to accommodate and what we want it to do. For example, we need to put some few ports. The port that you can put, you put a port 88, or you can put any port that you feel like you want to put it. In this configuration, these are here to clear. Okay, text on edit. Yeah, it is. Here you can be able to see complete list of added options. Please read the Koha and click. So here you can put the code of your desire. So to change on to put a port on a staff portal on staff side, we put interport here 8000 and the opaque side 8001, and then we change, we save, then so if you check it again, you see the interport is 8000 and the opaque is 8001. We clear this one. So the next is to install the server. We copy the can still write it. Say sudo apt get install MySQL server. So here say yes. About 179 MBs will be added in our space. So it will take a few minutes, between 10 to 20 minutes to finish the installation and the unpacking of packages. So what do I mean by unpacking? Well, this system is downloading these packages. when it is downloading these packages, the packages are downloaded in a zipped version. This means they are supposed to be extracted or unpacked to a usable way. This means if you download a zipped file or a zipped file directory and then you fail to unpack it, you will not be able to use those packages. So that's what the system is doing, is unpacking or opening the zipped packages that have been downloaded and putting them in different directories in the system. So we are seeing the naming remove to buffer my some recover option is present, so it is doing it magically in the backend, and that one is not important on our side. It will unpack. What is that? Yeah, the installation of our server has been done. Go to the next command. The next command is to enable the Apache, and we are going to copy this command, copy it, and we straight paste it here. So here right. Paste it here, and there is a mistake here. And here. Here, enable module event to activate link for configuration to run. Now we go to the next command. The next command is we copy this one here to enable it, and we paste it here. Here it is, and we go to the next command. Remember, we are it, and we need to restart our Apache. Yes, our Apache has been restarted for clear reason. Now we go in this process. We are creating an instance. What is an instance? An instance in Koha, it is a database. We are going to create a database, but this database will be Koha _ the name of the instance. Yes, do it in a best way. We are going to say sudo create create db library. Our name, the name that we're going to give is for our instance is library. You can give anything that you want. You can give it the name of the university, the college, your name, or any name that you can give. So we copy this one and we copy and we paste it here. Koha. So this is the command. We enter. So all these are not errors. The same there is the instance is empty. So the Koha instance is empty. No staff user created. So starting Koha worker, daemon for library, and the default associated starting Koha indexing daemon for library is empty. So we have created our instance. We can check it by submitting MySQL, and we say show A6 so you can see the name of our instance, which is Koha underscore library. Then here we write exit and it. So we clear here. So we go to the next command. The next command is to configure the Apache. As we told you earlier, the name gedit is a text editor that we will use to edit this directory. The name of etc, it is a path. It is a path. There is a etc uploader called etc, another one called Apache, and the file that we're going to configure is ports -config. So you paste it here. Copy and go to the next command. Another to.config, and we copy it. Paste it here. Here it is, and you can see we just change the port and more ports here. We will likely also have to change the virtual host statement in the etc whatever. So the next thing is in the first listen you are supposed to put 8000, and we listen again. We say send in one. So we save this one, and we go to the next command. The next command is we need to restart our Apache. To restart our Apache. Here we have restarted our Apache. The next command is to disable this command. That one is restarted. We did not start this here, but disable it. Also we create by this command. copy the last command. It is enabled. Go to the next. We restart. Be able to restart our Apache. The next thing is to look to check before we clear it, and we say if calling if this command will help us to know our what is our IP. So since we have not installed the NetTools, install it by saying we are at a root is to install net event tools. Yeah, it is holding. It is 80%, and in a few minutes it will be fully downloaded. Yeah, it is fully downloaded. Now if we check our IP, we can see this is the IP 87. So we clear, and then we generate the password to access this Apache. So we copy this command. It is sudo koha -password for our instance. The name of our instance is the library. Let's clear. Copy. Then paste it here. Here is our password. So what we're going to do, we are going to open our browser, say 192.168.100.27, and then full colon port. So our username is the name of the instance, which is Koha _ library. Then our password is our password. So you can see our username here. For library is Koha _ library, and this is our password. We copy the user and we paste it here. Paste it there. Then login. Not now. So for the first thing, we should be able to install our Koha. Now we are setting up. We choose the language. So yes, can we install? We check the dependencies. Then the next one, we are going to install the database. Here there is a database settings. We have database type, which is MySQL. The database name is Koha. As for library, and also the database host is the localhost, and database port, and this one, and the database user is that one. So we click next. We go to the next, which is the database the settings. Now we start setting up our database. We have managed to set up the database. Next is to install the basic configuration settings. The configuration settings sometimes depends on where you are, and so mostly there is two different type of configuration settings. There is mash and mash. For starting, for machines readable cataloging, mash record contains biographic records, information about an item, mash 10.1 is used globally, and mash tends to be used in a few European countries. So as is we are in, like for example, where I am, we use mash 21. So what I'll do, I'll click continue to set up. But to do this, Dependencies, basically I'll be creating a mash for the next video. I'll be creating a different video with mash to really see what different things that we have. So in mash framework 21, the mandatory that we have default mash. Now we can select the optional ones. I'm not going to select fast minimum mash frameworks are suitable now. Database time. Optional allow the following servers to access download records information. So now we don't need to add anything else here. Also remember this, some of configuration records you can enable them in the setting after installing and importing these settings in your Koha. So since we have not added many things in the system, it will not take much of a time. Like you set up all optional things, it will take much time. we have be able to set it up. So the next one is to set up some for basic requirements. These basic requirements are in the basic, okay, the begin onboarding process. Now, the first thing that you need is to record the library code. Let's say our library code is N0001 and the name of the university is Open University. So the name of our university is Open University. So continue and click submit. So the next is the patron. Whatever you need to create. I used to buy administrator account. So here we still use L002 and so table is K0001 and description. This can take this sources, the value required, the value notice requirements is the category type is there. So we put this type, we put it to be SD001. And then this is here to be stuff. Then put the privacy is made as default, and this account should stay for 72 months, and then submit it. The next one is administrator identity. We say this is open then the first name is university, or we want to be university, and here we say is open, and the code should be 00001, and administrator accounts permission is super librarian. So So all the rights will be reserved and that be done by the let's say we can change this one to that one. This one is say one is system system. So the name of this person will be system library, and then the username will be let's say system underscore, so system underscore and the name, then the password. You can put password or what you like. Password, then so I'm going to save that one. So go to the next one, input code. You read here there is item types we use to group created items. For example, item types might be books, CDs or DVD. And since we're going to use mostly on books, say BK 00001. Then we describe reason to create another type. I'm also set to go to so this one can create let's say books, then we submit. Then we go to the last part where there is a library you can choose, patrons, item, current, checkout, item allowed, let's say allowed to have 5 books, and one period is 3 weeks, which is 24 days, and work allowed is 14 days, and new period will need to be just 14 days. Would allow political fees, and submit. Yes, now we can click finally. We can read congratulations, you are finished and are ready to use Koha. So we click here, start using Koha. Yes, this is it. Now we can click login. And here we are. we have been able to set up Koha. Our version that was installed is 23.05.10. That is the old stable that we have installed in our system. Now here you can see the system underscore admin, and the name of the university is UPAI University. And I appreciate for taking your time to follow and to see how the solution of Koha is done. Now from here we are going to learn everything with Koha, and we can now to access the OPAC. We use the same IP address. We use the same IP address, 90.168.100.87 full : port. Here this is our pack. Now as you can check, our system is fully installed. The next option is to learn how to use this system, and how to configure the OPAC, and how to configure the admin side. So now the next tutorial is how to use the system, and also how to configure, and then from there we'll be having this section for questions where we can interact and answer the questions where you did not understand, and where you need more explanation, and also where you need to identify where there is where the system can fail and get charges. So thank you for watching this video, and I am happy that you have identified to follow me and learn a lot from experts. Thank you.